DJI Agras T55 is a lightweight, innovative agriculture drone engineered for solo transport and precision farming. It features a modular design supporting a 50L spraying tank, an 80L spiriting tank, and a 4 kg lifting capacity. The Agras T100 dual battery spraying system delivers greater across a tank of agriculture tasks and improved efficiency. With dual intelligent batteries, overtime improves by 50% at equal payload, while the 90L tank capacity ensures longer endurance, enabling seamless, non-stop operation across the large areas. Wider spray coverage. It has greater operational efficiency for large-scale feed applications. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.